Yan.
Over mo na, kick mo to, go. Over. Forward, go. Yan, go.
Tuloy lang.
Go,
Yan.
over.
Yan. Sunod ha. Sunod dito.
Go. Yan, very good, go.
Yan. Left foot. No, you look over here now. Ready, go. Your right. Your left. Higher. Shout. Ha. No, over there. No, your left foot over here.
Like
This one over here. Go.
Like this.
Yan. Your right. Your left.
Ganon.
Your right. Very good. Move forward. Ay, ay, pare.
Go. Here, girl. Like this.
Pare, kasi yung pare. Ready.
Yan. Change foot, go.
Very
good. Oh, change foot tayo, change foot naman. This foot.
Dali, four to yun, di ba? Four? Four ba?
This one. Isa.
Tama yan.
Ready, go.
Kaya. Kaya.
Judy.
Kaya. Kaya ka lagi.
See. Jump. Go. Uy, punta na ikaw.
Tayo mo. Kaya mo katayan.
Let's make it. Kalyo. Go.
Lang pasok. Kaya mo dali.
Pasok agad.
Yan. Lakad. Left.
Back leg.
Yan. Lakad. Up. Dila pa pa. Again. Right.
Ready, and up.
Tangan ka. Right.
Arm side
Yan.
forward.
Tangan right.
Kicker.
Ba. Right. Left.
Atras kayo, atras.
Left. Yan. After left. Back left. Okay, monkey. Right. Target. Come on. Right.
Side step, yung side step.
Yan.
Ang side step, listen.
Good next.
Listen. Ang side step, hindi siya
Right.
ganun.
Left.
Hindi siya papalayo. Kailangan.
Kick ba?
Dito.
Anong right ka?
Stronger. Forward. Go. Ayan. So, T-short, abot niya na ako. Ako naman, mag-i-step pa ako para ma-out ko siya. Okay, nagigits
Stop nyo,
ba?
ah.
So, the more na mas matangkad kalaban mo, the more na mas malapit kayo dapat. Okay? Hindi mo utang. Hindi yung, ang tangkad ko naman, layo mo tayo.
Isa.
Okay?
Hindi pa ka.
Kapag malaki ka naman, tapos maliit yung isipa sa inyo, ang kailangan nyo gawin, ang sides. Okay,
Go!
sige dito. So,
Go!
pag ko,
Go!
okay, try mo.
Alternate. Go. Left. Left yan, di ba? Left.
Tingin na,
Left.
tingin. Go.
Go.
So, hindi na
Habol.
isipa.
Go. Habulin. Go. Habol.
Siya.
Very good. Open the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pass. Remove. Go. Higher. Yan. Higher. Go. Yan. And yan. Ready. Next.